Good afternoon to all of you. So let's revise chapter number 1. Name of the chapter is food. Okay. So first of all, write down in the chat box, why do we need food? Okay, we eat food. We eat so many food items daily. Why do we eat food? Okay, why do we need food? Yes. Yes, to live. Very good. Yes, enough to get energy, to live. Good answers. To survive. Yes, to work. To work, we need energy. So, energy we get from the food. Some of the students are taking food right now. It's not the time to take food. It is the time to write the answer. Why do we need food? Okay, Tanya, stop eating. During the class, if you are eating, means you will not learn the things properly. You are not concentrating. Clear? So eat it after the class. Very good. This is Vinay, to protect ourselves from diseases. Very good. Yes, we need food to grow. Good. Yes, good answers. All of you should participate like this. First is we get energy from the food. We need energy to do various activities, and this energy comes from the food. So we take the food. Can you write the name of the nutrient which gives us energy? And we call it energy giving food. Yes. अब ये लिखना बंद करो. Why do we eat food? Now write down. Very good, Vinay. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy and we call them energy giving food. Carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients. Okay. And what do you mean by nutrients? Yes, Tanya, unmute yourself. Ma'am, kindly allow her. Tanya, please unmute yourself to answer. What do you mean by nutrients? Yes, beta, unmute. What do you mean by nutrients? Anji boli. By rest of the students can write in the chat box by the time. Yes, beta, don't take too much time to unmute. Turn the mic on and speak out. What do you mean by the nutrients? Yes, Sabrina. Sabrina, you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji boliye beta, what do you mean by nutrients? No response from Tanya. Nutrients means many students are writing in the chat box, but all of you should participate. Arnav, ji beta Arnav.
Nutrients. Nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and we get different food.
Yes, these are the names of the different nutrients present in the food. Good answer. But how can you define the term nutrients?
Nutrients are different energy sources that our body needs to work. Nutrients, we get different nutrients from different foods like protein from meat, and we get the energy from fats, and we also get minerals from foods like vegetables and fruits.
Very good, good effort to answer. What I want to add कि nutrients सिर्फ एनर्जी नहीं देते. Nutrients, कुछ nutrients एनर्जी कौन से देते हैं? Carbohydrates and fats. Some of the nutrients they protect us from diseases also, and some of the nutrients they help us to grow. So how will we define the nutrients? They are the substances present in the food essential for the body, for the well-being of the body to remain healthy. So they are food substances essential for the body. Very good. Clear? Niti has written and Arnav has tried very well. Okay? आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. You can write in your own words also. It's not there कि आपने word to word book से या notebook से cram करना है. You can add from your side. uh, you can use your own words. So they are the food substances essential for the body. They help to grow, they give energy, they protect us from the diseases, they help to do various activities within the body. That's why we eat food to get all these nutrients. Okay? So the next function of the food is it help to grow and well. Which nutrients help in the growth? Write it in the chat box. Which are the different nutrients which help to grow? Vinay, very good. Proteins. But you have to keep yourself muted. Sabrina, now turn the mic off. Proteins help us to grow and develop. Proteins provide the materials for the formation of new cells. It helps to repair the worn out cells जो टूट हो जाते हैं cells, उनकी repair करते हैं, injuries होती हैं. And egg is the source of protein. Okay? ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर है. इसमें आपको स्लाइड पे और मुझे कंसंट्रेट करना है. यू नीड नॉट टू ओपन द पर्टिकुलर पेज. ओके, तो आपने मुझे सुन के आंसर करना है. बिकॉज अगर आंसर नहीं आ रहा तो आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू हैव टू लिसन टू मी. वी हैव डन द चैप्टर ऑलरेडी. Egg is the source of the protein. It's not the nutrient. आप यहाँ कंफ्यूज हो जाती हो जब आपको पूछते हैं हम लोग कि आपको गिव द सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन्स, तो आपको फूड आइटम का नाम लिखना है. जब हम पूछते हैं नेम द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, फिर अपने फूड आइटम का नेम नहीं लिखना. देन यू हैव टू राइट प्रोटीन्स. ओके, proteins help to grow and develop, and proteins help to form the antibodies also. They help to fight against the diseases also. Clear? Yes, then third is to keep us healthy. We eat fruits and vegetables to get vitamins and minerals. They protect us from
उसकी क्लास ही नहीं शुरू हुई थी. 5 मिनट मैम लेट शुरू करती है और मेरी क्लास 11:15 खत्म
Akshita,
हुई.
turn the mic off. Akshita, mute yourself. Okay, beta? Is it clear now? So we call them protective food. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food. They protect us against various diseases. Can you write which vitamin help us to protect against the night blindness? Night blindness, और जिसका हम अंधराता बोलते हैं, person is not able to see in the dim light. eyesight weak हो जाती है. Sometimes person becomes blind. Okay, blind भी हो जाता है, complete blindness भी हो जाती है. Which vitamin? Not C बेटा. C हमें स्कर्वी से बचाता है. D हमारी बॉडी के लिए ठीक होता है. Yes, and very good Arnav, it is vitamin A. A से अंधराता. ओके, अंधराता मीन्स रात को नहीं दिखना. ए से उसके साथ में साउंड मिलती जुलती है. तो हमें याद रखना है कि विटामिन ए इज वेरी गुड फॉर आई साइट. ये येलो फ्रूट्स में, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स में होता है. लाइक मैंगो आजकल आ रहे हैं ना, तो मैंगो इज गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए. ग्रीन पत्ते वाली सब्जियां सभी में विटामिन ए होता है. तो आपको जिनको स्पेक्स लगी हुई हैं, you should go for green vegetables and yellow fruits. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, first one is we should eat proteins to dash well. Write it. We should eat proteins. हमें protein rich food खाने चाहिए to grow well. तानव, very good. Grow के spelling अर्नव ठीक करो बेटा. If we want to grow well, अगर हम अपनी growth ठीक चाहते हैं तो we should eat the food items which are rich in proteins. Protein rich foods are pulses, milk products, egg, fish, meat, etc. Okay. Next is, yes, write its answer. What should be, we should not overeat. हमें ज़्यादा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. We should eat only that much quantity of food which is required. And if we overeat, हम ज़्यादा खाना खाती हैं तो it leads to, yes, write it. It leads to obesity and we become obese or fat. Okay? Overeating leads to obesity or we become obese, we become fat, मोटे हो जाते हैं. So we should eat that much quantity. We should take carbohydrates, fats in that much quantity which is required by the body. Overeating should not be there. Otherwise, it will lead to high cholesterol, heart problems, etc. Now, read out the next and write the answer. Dash the food properly before swallowing it. Good. Okay. Very good. Chew the food properly before swallowing it. हमें फूड स्वेलो करने से पहले इसको अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए. We have teeth in our mouth to chew the food well. We should not talk while eating. We should chew it properly. It is good food habit. Next, food substances essential for the body are called dash. अभी किया हमने. We have discussed right now. What do we call the food substances which are required for the body? Many of you are writing proteins. No, it's not only proteins. Turn the mic off. It's not only proteins, beta. Yes. Some of the students are writing correct. फिर एक बच्चे ने protein लिखा. All are copying proteins. Beta, you have to use your own common sense. Not only proteins, it is. अभी भी proteins ही आ रहा है आंसर. Food substances. Ravdeep, good. Niti, good. Yes. Ian, good. Yes. Okay. आंसर इज न्यूट्रिएंट्स. अभी तो हमने डिस्कस किया है. अब और कोई आ गया एग लेकर. नो, एग इज द सोर्स ऑफ फूड, source of proteins. Nutrients are the substances present in the food which are essential for the well-being of our body, for the proper growth of our body, to protect the body against the diseases, to get energy. So we need nutrients. 3 main groups of nutrients are there. Write in the chat box. I want to know कि आपको clear है कि नहीं. 3 groups of, we discussed it on Saturday. 3 main groups of nutrients are, very good Vinay, energy giving food. Second, protective food. Third, bodybuilding food. Okay. So which nutrients give energy? Carbohydrates and fat. Which protect us from diseases? Vitamins and minerals. Which build the body? Proteins. Okay. So proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, they are the different nutrients. And nutrients are the substances essential for our body. नाउ यू गॉट इट और नॉट? आपको समझ कैसे लगेगा इफ यू आर टॉकिंग करमन? हु इज सिटिंग विद यू? बेटा यू डोंट हैव टू टॉक. अगर आप क्लास में सुनोगे नहीं तो थिंग्स विल नॉट बी क्लियर. You have, if when you are in the class you should be attentive and you should not sit with someone else जो आपको उससे बातें कर रहा है. TV should not be on. क्लियर? जब आप अनम्यूट करती हो तो आप पीछे से टीवी की आवाज आती है, आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स बातें कर रहे होते हैं. दिस वे यू कैन नॉट लर्न द थिंग्स. दैट्स वाई आपको न्यूट्रिएंट पूछो तो आप फूड आइटम बताती हो, फूड आइटम पूछा जाता है तो आप न्यूट्रिएंट्स बताती हो. बी अटेंटिव बेटा. नेक्स्ट, dash food items have limited nutritional value. Limited means उनमें सभी nutrients present नहीं होते. उनमें only 1 or 2 nutrients ही होते हैं. They are only taken for the taste and it is your favorite also. It should not be your favorite. You should go for healthy food. Good answer, Sukhman. Junk food. जंक मीन्स जो हम वेस्ट होता है उसको हम कहते हैं जंक. जो हम डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं ना घर पे, जो हमें नहीं चाहिए. अनएसेंशियल थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड जंक. ये भी हम इसका जंक फूड नाम इसलिए रखा है कि दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इट इज ओनली टेस्टी. इट हैज नो न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू. ओनली फैट्स आर देयर, शुगर इज देयर. We don't get all the required nutrients for this. So burger, noodles, pizzas, ये सब क्या है? Junk food. They have no nutritive value. Next is dash add bulk to our food. Means increases the size of the food. हमारा पेट भर जाता है. Yes. It adds bulk to the food. What is there? चाहे पिज़्ज़ा बेटा होम मेड हो तो भी इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें डलती हैं जिसमें फैट्स ज़्यादा होती है. क्लियर? तो वी कैन टेक इट वंस इन अ वीक. इट शुड नॉट बी अवर हैबिट. बल्क मीन्स इंक्रीज्ड इन साइज. डैश एट बल्क टू अवर फूड. व्हाट शुड बी देयर? यू आर राइटिंग बल्क इज नॉट द आंसर. नो, हेल्दी फूड भी नहीं आएगा. What eats bulk to the food? अभी भी आंसर नहीं आया बेटा. Bulk means it increases the size of the food. आपकी प्लेट में जब ये चीज़ भी आ जाती है, आप ये चीज़ भी साथ में खाने के खाते हो, it increases the size. Quantity of the food we can say. आपका पेट जल्दी भर जाता है. No fats. फैट्स तो हमें अवॉइड करने चाहिए, बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में लेने चाहिए. Fill the link sent for the attendance. Rafej, good answer. Vinay. मैदा नहीं बेटा, मैदा is also not good. हमें होल व्हीट खानी चाहिए, वाइट नहीं. ब्राउन ब्रेड प्रेफर करनी चाहिए. Yes, Niti, good. Rafej, add bulk to the food. Now this is the answer. You can take the screenshot. Clear? So all the answers were correct. कुछ ने रफेज को फाइबर भी बोलते हैं. ओके. Now next is true or false. You have to state whether it is true or false. First one is water is the source of different vitamins. Main source of different vitamins. Very good. नीति is true. कौन सा विटामिन होता है वाटर में बेटा? रवि. यस, पहले उसने फॉल्स लिखा, नीति को देखकर सॉरी ट्रू कर दिया. ओके. Water is good source of vitamins. Can you tell me which vitamins we get from the water? No need to write done for the Google form. Concentrate in the class now. Yes, it is false. No vitamin we get from the water. Now, sodium is an important mineral present in the table salt. Sodium is a mineral. It is present in table salt. Yes, it is true, Arnav. Some students are writing no. I don't know कि वो first का answer दे रहे हैं second का. Now we are doing second, so it is false. Sorry,
Excuse me,
second
ma'am.
is true. जी जी बेटा बोलिए.
मैम
जी.
मैम मेरा गूगल फॉर्म नहीं खुल रहा.
No problem. Leave it. Concentrate in the class. I have noted you are there in the class. Okay, I'll put the attendance.
ओके मैम.
Yes, sodium is the important mineral and it is present in the table salt. Yes, जो हम table salt
मैम
सब्जी में नमक डालते हैं उसमें सोडियम होता है. It is important mineral. It helps to maintain our क्या maintain करते हैं? How is it useful? It helps to keep our body healthy. Okay, it helps to keep the blood pressure maintain करने में help करता है. Help to maintain the blood pressure. Clear? Then next is proteins take a longer to digest. They take a time. If we take the food rich in proteins, तो हमें जल्दी भूख नहीं लगती. It takes time. Manveer, turn the mic off. Okay? Yes, it is true. Proteins take a longer time to digest as compared to the simple sugars or carbohydrates. Now, fruits and vegetables do not contain dietary fiber. Dietary fiber means roughage. Fruits or vegetables में dietary fiber नहीं होता. It is false. Arnav is the first to answer. It is false. फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स में रफेज होता है. सैलड हम खाते हैं तो दैट इज द गुड सोर्स ऑफ रफेज. These are the answers. You can write this, take the screenshot of this. Okay? Otherwise आपने इसको correct ही आंसर किया सबने. Now next is doctor advised Arnav's grandmother to include salads, porridge, semolina, etc. in the diet. Can you guess why? If some doctor advise you to take more salads, then what will you get from the salads? Semolina, suji, etc. They are the rich source of. अभी आंसर नहीं आया बेटा. Roughage. Vinay, good. They are the good source of roughage. रफेज की कोई न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू नहीं होती. इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. और बॉडी कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट इट, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ digestive system. Better turn the mic off. Okay, so it is the source of roughage. Is very good for a digestive system. ये हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में बेटा विटामिन्स आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन वाटर एंड ओके. सो रफेज इज द गुड सोर्स. रफेज हैज नो न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू. इसकी कोई न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू नहीं है. हमें कोई विटामिन्स कोई मिनरल्स कुछ नहीं मिलती बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी इसको डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं कर पाती. इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द बॉडी एज इट इज, but it helps to clean our digestive tract. हमारी digestive tract को clean करता है. It helps to move the undigested food out of the body. It checks constipation. Okay, constipation नहीं होती. Constipation means person finds it hard to pass the stool. Okay, so we should take this. And it adds bulk to the food. So it is an important part of our healthy diet. ये नहीं कि हमें कोई न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं मिलता तो हमें खाना नहीं चाहिए. So we should get all these food items to get the roughage or fiber. Okay. So it helps to remove undigested food from the body and it checks constipation. It checks acidity also. Acidity भी कम होती है when you go for the salads. Okay, कुछ लोगों को acidity की problem होती है. Then next, look at this. This is a food pyramid. Means it is the presentation of a few food items and drinks. All these food items are kept on the shelves. आपके सामने 5 shelves हैं. तो आपको unmute में जिसको बोलूंगी वो बच्चा unmute होकर look at this carefully first. You have to tell me any 3 sentences after looking at this picture. This is related to healthy food. Which shelf you will prefer? 3 sentences सोच के रखो. जिसकी भी turn आती है, that student will unmute and will answer. Yes, Meherdeep, unmute yourself बेटा.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
जी बेटा बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
आप लक्ष्मण ने अनम्यूट कर लिया. चलो बोलिए बेटा. एनी 3 sentences after looking at this picture. पिरामिड को देखते हुए it is related to healthy food. Which food items you prefer the most? Which will you will prefer the least? This
Fruit and vegetables.
No, you have to write the sentences. You have to speak the sentences. Full sentence बोलो.
Ma'am, first sentence है कि fruits and vegetables are healthy for us.
Very good. So we should prefer them more. Okay.
Us to grow and they help us to grow and make us healthy.
Yes, they make us healthy. Very good. They protect us against the disease.
They protect us from diseases.
Yes, you can tell. For example,
Ma'am, green vegetables are good for our body.
Yes, green vegetables, they are the good source of vitamins and minerals. They help to keep us healthy. Yes, very good. Now, Rakshit, you will unmute. What you will prefer the most and speak out some other sentences जो भी आपके mind में आ रहा है after looking at this picture. बोलिए. No problem अगर आप कुछ गलत भी बोलते हो, but you have to speak. Rest of the students can write the sentences in the chat box. Yes, it's an activity, very good activity. It will help to speak out about the healthy food. जैसे आप इंग्लिश में composition करते हो, same way you have to make the sentences. No problem is there. Rakshit,
Excuse
बोलो.
me, ma'am. We can vegetables for many days because in a process of preserving, example like refrigeration to keep the vegetable fresh. The second point, fruits, we green leafy vegetables,
बेटा mute yourself. Your sound is
leafy
not clear.
vegetables give us and minerals to work.
Yes, good. You are trying. आप ठीक बोल रहे हो, but sound is not clear. So mute yourself. Yes, Vinay, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मेहर मेरे साथ क्लास लगा रही है.
ओके बेटा. बट आपने फिर बातें नहीं करनी. आपने क्लास में ध्यान से सुनना, ओके। यस विनय, आप अनम्यूट कीजिए।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलिए, आपकी माइंड में क्या रहा? ओके,
Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. And number 2, they keep us healthy.
यस, अब फ्रूट
Number 3,
वेजिटेबल्स का हो गया। नाउ अदर शेल्फ्स के बारे में आप बोल सकती हो। यस, what were the what was kept on other shelves of the pyramid? I'm going to take it back.
हम proteins के help us to grow well.
Yes, proteins help us to grow well. So we should prefer the food items. Okay. You can look at this again. Yes. Okay, you can look. Proteins are also kept on the shelf. In order to grow well, we should go for the proteins. Different sources of protein kept here are fish, okay, meat. But if you don't prefer fish and meat, you are vegetarian, then we should go for the pulses. We can have soya bean, okay, and milk products, okay. So they are also the good source of proteins. In order to grow well, we should take proteins. Now next 2-3 minutes or more. So yes, Mankaran, unmute yourself. Beta fatafat se. Some students are writing very good sentences in the chat box. Mankaran, now speak about some other shell.
We should eat the foods that are high in fat and sugar, less than the healthy food, because they make us obese.
Yes, very good. So top pay, it should be taken in less amount. Very good. Okay, soft drinks, snacks which are high in fat and sugar, we should not prefer these food items because they will make us obese, they will make us fat, we will suffer from diseases. Clear? So, which should be preferred? The food items kept at the base of this pyramid. What is there? Bread, cereals, potatoes, they give us carbohydrates. We should prefer fruits and vegetables. We should go for milk and milk products. Okay, beta? Now, this is all about, now you can unmute yourself and you can put the